Welcome to my channel by Dr. GR. In this video class, we see about the projection of point for their location in the first quadrant. First, we see about the problems that is given. Problem number 1. Draw the projection of point A, which is 50 millimeter above HP and 20 millimeter in front of VP. Here first draw the XY line, which is called as reference line. Then only we have to see for the problems. Below the XY line, usually we know it is called horizontal plane. Above the XY line, it is called as vertical plane for drawing purpose. First, to understand all the problem, my previous video class 15 should be seen for details. Here all are in first quadrant and first angle projection is to be followed. As per the problem 1, what we have seen now, it is 50 millimeter above the horizontal plane. That is 50 millimeter above the XY line is taken as the reference line. So above that 50 millimeter is given. Hence, when viewing from front to the point given in the first quadrant for first angle projection, the image of the point would fall on vertical plane at 50 millimeter above the reference line XY for drawing purpose as shown. Then another image of the same point is 20 millimeter in front of vertical plane, that is 20 millimeter away from vertical plane, that is from XY line when viewing from top view, and hence it is to be shown as image 20 millimeter below XY line in the drawing, that is on the horizontal plane HP. Now mark the point as A dash as shown and note the dimensions, that is distance of point that image from the XY line on both planes. Point alone should be shown in dark with HB pencil, and for dimension line thin with 2H pencil is to be used. XY reference line should be always in dark with HB pencil. We see the next problem. Similarly, in problem 2, another point B is 60 millimeter above HP and in VP. Draw the projection. Similarly, as per this problem, point B is 60 millimeter above horizontal plane, that is above XY line when viewed from front, and also its another image is on the vertical plane, that is VP on XY line as given when viewed as per the details that are given in the problem, and this is given now in this second one. Now mark the dimensions. Next, as per problem 3, draw the projection of point C lying on HP and 40 millimeter in front of VP. Similarly, as per this problem, point C is lying on HP first, that is on XY line itself as the first image, and as well as the next image, that is 40 millimeter in front of vertical plane when viewed, which should be shown on horizontal plane as discussed. So it is 40 millimeter below the XY line, as shown here as C. Now mark the dimensions as C dash and C. Next, as per the fourth problem, draw the projection of point D lying on both VP and HP. So as shown here, since the point is lying on both horizontal plane and vertical plane, in which case the only possibility is the image of the point is on the XY reference line itself. So both images should be on the XY reference line alone. Just mark the point now as D dash and D as shown here, suitably as shown. Okay, well, with this problem is over, and remember, do not use pen or colors in easy drawings. Here it is only for reference and easy visibility. Use only suitable pencil grades. Also remember to subscribe and press the bell icon, and this is by Dr. GR. Thank you.